What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to be updating our rain barrels the proper way. So these are called bulkhead fittings right here. You get 4 of them. I got 4 of these for 15. I think it was 15. As you know, I will post the price. You get all of these connectors, which is amazing. All right. Let me back that up so y'all can see more. All right. We have these right here. You can cap it off and close it off if you want to close it for the winter time. However you do your rain barrel. All right, this is one of my caps I put in there by accident. All right, and they give you 4 clamps, so if you got water going from one barrel to another, you can clamp the hose if you want to. So there goes the clamp. Get 4 of these. So basically 4 of everything. Now it's simple. You put this in the rain barrel and you twist it, or twist it the other way. You twist it and close it, and that's it. And we are going to do that. I may have to put a bigger hole in, because the hole that I have in there currently is a 1-inch hole, and this is bigger than 1 inch going through that opening. All right, this is a 3/4 connection, and the 3/4, sorry you guys. Twist on, twist back on. Come on, don't do me like that. Twist, twist. Oh, wrong way. In this world, is lefty tighty as far as the nut goes. Okay, so basically this is 3/4. So you got 3/4 that way, and you have 3/4 on the other side. So you can hook this up 2 ways if you want to. All right, so this side we're gonna put in our rain barrel, and we're gonna leave the coupling side out. So when we put it in the rain barrel, we're gonna take this off, and we're gonna have the washer on the outside. We're gonna put this in our rain barrel, and this part will be coming out. All right, and that will be it. So stick with me and enjoy this review. We're about to have some fun. We're going to take everything out. All right, now like I said, my spigots is 3/4, and the bulkhead is more than 3/4, so it might be a little bit, maybe like 1 inch. I'll do the measurements, and I will get a hole cutter, and I will cut the hole. I even want to invest in some new spigots. These are pretty old, had these for a long time. I just want the quick on and off spigots, but that's blah 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 right now. All right, you guys, so like I said, alright, so the hole is clearly bigger than the 3/4, so I will have to go ahead, measure out this, get the right hole cutter, and we'll get back to this in a little bit. I got my circle cutter right here. This is my Lennox circle cutter. I haven't used this one yet, so I had this for a little while now, and I finally can use it. Right here, this is 1 3/4 inches, and it fits right on in. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is put the gasket on the back side, since the back side is more of a flush side and the front side is kind of a little bit messed up right here, because when I was cutting it, it was going everywhere. So I need to find a better way to cut. Anyways, let me go ahead and drop this in. All right. Drop that in like that. Now we're going to tighten this. It's funny when you look at people like those reviews that be on Amazon. They just drop it in the barrel and roll it down and it comes right out the barrel. It don't work like that. And this don't come with 2 gaskets, so you only get 1 gasket. I forgot. Left is going to tighten this. Right, rolling it. Now what I'm gonna do is get my pliers and give it some good turns. I want to put some water in this just to see if it's a good seal on it. All right, you guys, we back with our pliers. All right, tighten this. What do y'all call this anyway? Do y'all call this pliers or channel locks? Y'all let me know in the comments. Or some other people call it vice grips too. I want to get some new spigots, so be on the lookout. I'm not going to get it this year. I'll wait until spring comes back, and then I'll get it. As you can see, this is a 3/4 spigot, and it's going in very well. Say if it's winter time, you want to take your spigot off. They gave you these little caps that I showed you. Also has a washer right there on it too. Let's say if this is a hole that you didn't want to use no more, this will be a good solution just to cap off this hole. Or you might be able to use waterproof tape like I reviewed in a couple of days ago, or a couple of episodes ago. Alright, you guys, so it even looks better. So yeah, I am going to hook up all 4, but right now I got water in these 3 barrels. I'm about to go ahead and water the grass a little bit. Well, a lot. I'm going to use up all 3 barrels because I want to go ahead and complete this whole set. So I get with y'all on the final review. Alright, you guys, so it looks like I have a little leak here at the bottom on this one, and the one over here where I kind of went crazy on the drilling right there. I think I got a leak coming down right there on the bottom. Might be here too, but I won't know until it's fully dry. So what I'm going to do is I am going to see if I can get another gasket or something that I can use as a gasket, so I can have 2 gaskets, one on the back and one on the front, just to see if I could get a more tight seal in. But other than that, these are still good. I think the leak is due to me and not so much as the product. I think the leak is my fault, and yeah, so I will definitely take blame on that one. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of this review right here with the bulkhead fittings. I think it's a pretty good product. If you want to get it for your rain barrels, I think you should. And that will be it. Like, comment, subscribe.